Good afternoon, YouTube. We have another excellent, exciting unboxing straight from mainland China. Let's take a look at what we have here. Pretty easy to figure out what's going on here. Made in China all over it. Some FarmerTec writing. It's a smaller box. Ooh, that might say right there, MS200T. Yep. You know it. It is the all new from FarmerTec MS200T top handle chainsaw. Let's take a look at what we have inside here. That is the exhaust shroud and the clutch cover. We got some motor mounts, vibration dampeners, spark plug, air filter cover. There's a sprocket cover. So that just more or less your whole entire 200T parts kit. There's your top handle, chain brake, coil. There's your exhaust. I have never handled one of these, nor have I taken one apart nor put one together. Recoil starter. There's your chain tensioner, clutch and clutch drum, and there are your case halves. Which is nice is that they have the oil seals, crank seals, whatever you want to call them, already installed, along with the bearings. It looks like the bearings are greased too. So there's that, and your fuel tank. It's a itty bitty cylinder, piston cylinder. That doesn't look too bad. These are just coming now out of the factory, so they are brand new from FarmerTec. And what these are completely 100% compatible with the now no longer made Stihl 200 and 020T chainsaw parts. There's the crank, flywheel, nuts and bolts, handlebar, and base gasket. Ooh, I wonder how that looks, huh? That base gasket looks a little bent up. Base gasket, crank gasket, and muffler gasket all together there. Just a quick review, quick unboxing. Some people really love unboxings, other people hate them. I kind of like them. They're like Christmas Day almost, even though I hate Christmas, just for the commercialism that it is. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any good videos on how to assemble these 200Ts, let me know, because I really have no idea. I'm going to be going into it blind. And I don't think I'll make a video on how to assemble these. I'm sure there's other people that will do it. I'm not the best assembler. But if you had any questions on this FarmerTec product, you can check it out at hutzel.com, hutzel.net. Google FarmerTec chainsaws kit, parts kit. All these parts right here will assemble into one chainsaw. Or if you have an issue with a chainsaw, you can use bits and parts to add on to your current German-made chainsaw. All these parts will fit 100%. Like and subscribe. Any questions, post them in the comments. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a wonderful afternoon. Adios.